All right, next up we're going to do some weights and measures, give you guys an idea how it performs on the bench, and then we'll wrap the video up. First up is the watt test. We're using two China Hobby Line 6S 5070C packs in series for 12S. So you can see 50 volts right there, and Dave's going to spool it up. Whenever you're ready, Dave.
All right, here goes.
I thought I saw about 116 amps, but I'm having a hard time with the screen, so let's run it one more time.
Okay, goes one more time. There we go.
All right, I saw 108 amps and 4,800 watts. So 4,800 watts.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty good. We'll
see how much the plane weighs here.
Yeah, we'll see how much it weighs. So 4,800 watts and 108 amps. Okay.
You didn't happen to catch the voltage, did you?
No.
Don't matter.
We'll catch it in post.
Yeah, we don't care.
Okay, we're going to do our thrust test. It is set on pounds. Dave, whenever you're ready.
All right, let me pull back on this. There we go. All right, here we
Well,
go.
hold on. You put tension, let me tear it. Oh, hold on. Okay, now we're zeroed out again. Go ahead. All right, I saw about 41 and a half pounds of thrust on this one. So 41 and a half pounds of thrust.
Okay.
All right, weight and balance is next. Dave, go ahead and lift her up.
Okay. It's on the air.
18.7.
That's what I thought.
All right, 18.7 all up. All right, we'll put the measurements in post with all the calculations so you've got an idea on power to weight. All right, so just rough numbers, we're thinking it's around 260, 270 watts per pound, and we're thinking about 2.5 to 1 power to weight, 2.3, 2.5. We'll do the math and put it in post for you.
Right, and keep in mind, this is not the biggest prop the motor will take. This is the 24. It can take a 25, but this is what they supplied for the video.
Yeah. All right, at the end of the day, it looks like the T-Motor AM850 195 kV motor performs about as expected for this style of airplane.